Guys, what's your favorite chocolate bar? I don't even think I have one, but one of mine is KitKat. And I like lots of KitKats. Specialty KitKats. In a cake, on a cake, around a cake. I'm gonna make a 3-tiered mega cake, and each tier is going to be a different flavor. For the bottom tier, I'm using Have Your Cake KitKats, so I made a Funfetti cake. For the middle tier, I'm using Good Fortune Green Tea KitKats. So I've baked a Matcha vanilla cake. And for the top tier, I'm using Totally Butter Tart KitKat. So I've baked a chocolate cake.
You never made green tea cake before.
I have not.
I thought it was just colored.
Colored with matcha powder.
It doesn't taste like matcha tea?
It does.
I love matcha tea.
Well, you're gonna love this cake. Now that my cake layers are prepped, it's time for some squeeze. He's still wearing that coat. He's still wearing, I've got his backup though. This is cousin squeeze. We don't want our cakes to dry out while we're decorating them, which is why I soak them in simple syrup. I want to use whatever is in my specialty KitKat bars in my buttercream to fill my cakes. This way, it's like the most complete concept. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's KitKatception. I gotta show you these KitKats. This KitKat is called Have Your Cake. This KitKat is called Good Fortune Green Tea. And this KitKat is called Totally Butter Tart. And it has toffee, shortbread, and pecans. But look from the front, it just, you're like, oh, a KitKat. Bam! I couldn't find the exact same sprinkles as the KitKat. These must be KitKat exclusive. So now I'm gonna do the sesame and cranberry. And I'm gonna sprinkle in pecans, toffee, and shortbread cookies. I'm ready to fill all my cakes. What? You're laughing at my cracking voice?
A little, yeah.
But first, I cut a board to the exact size of each cake. I'm spreading sprinkled buttercream into my Funfetti cake. Sprinkles on sprinkles on sprinkles. Guys, if you're making this at home, you don't have to make a 3-tiered one. Might be a cop-out, but but you can just make like whatever your favorite KitKat is. We were only able to get these because there's a special store here with KitKat. So what's your favorite KitKat? Please comment below. There's probably a whole bunch of KitKats out there I've never tried.
What's going on?
I had to remove a layer.
Why?
Because it was higher than the height of KitKat. And I don't want that. I want this to be like a fence, right?
That's fine. You don't have to be upset about it.
I am upset. I'm putting a matcha cake down. Then I'm putting on my cranberry sesame buttercream. And now I'm gonna spread it.
Are you gonna put 3 layers on this one?
Probably, because all my layers are cut to the same height. And all the KitKats are the same height.
Maybe you could make like a mini second cake with the...
Well, it's only 1 layer of each.
Yeah.
So no, it would be weird.
Yeah.
You wanna make it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I would love to.
Okay.
It's an adorable little cake that you're making, right?
Isn't it? It's
Yeah.
like, oh baby. This cake is hard to ice because it's so small. You know, I don't cut cake with that type of knife. Yeah.
Is this okay?
Yep. Oh, you're gonna make a half cake? He didn't measure. Did anyone else know?
No, it's because I'm cutting it in 2. Like, how wrong can I go?
Okay, let's find that out. Oh, the dredging. The dredging! You know how I feel about that.
What do you mean dredging? The sound?
You're wiping this. Look.
Oh.
You're wiping the spatula. How many times have you watched me dollop?
Wait. Is there anything interesting to put on this? That's what you always do.
What do you want to put? Some sprinkles?
So because it's the 5th year anniversary, I'm gonna write 5 with sprinkles.
Okay. I totally believe you're gonna do it.
Kind of a 5.
Okay, that's awesome. Now that you created that beautiful 5, you're going to cover it with cake.
Yeah, I didn't think that far.
It's time to crumb coat and chill, but with plain Italian Meringue Buttercream. Okay, crumb coating, and I mainly need to focus on the sides because I kind of gave it like a nice layer of buttercream on the top. It's time to tier my 3 KitKat cakes, and I'm gonna use lollipop sticks to tier these cakes instead of dowels because they're small and cute.
I love your cutting thingy. So.
Oh, my cutting thingy?
Yeah.
Thank you for noticing. I bought it in Paris. It's like a French brand, and they ooh la la. This is a fun game. It's called Catch the Dowel. Go or go.
No.
Oh! That was close.
Look at how you hold it.
It's ridiculous. So now I'm gonna pop this cake in the fridge and prepare my KitKats. And by prepare, I mean eat them. No. Full on dredging.
No, what does dredging do to you?
It pulls the crumbs up from the cake.
And?
Why have I bothered talking for 5 years? It's like when people see accidents, like they
Because this is the smallest cake.
Yep.
You're
gonna put the most buttercream.
Oh no, I'm so sorry. I didn't do that on purpose. Don't go away.
Now it's time to take these beautiful KitKats and cut them into sticks. Okay, it's the fun part. I'm gonna add KitKat around the sides of all 3 cakes. I'm gonna ice as I go, and I'm gonna start at the top tier. You know what? If you guys are new here, please subscribe to this channel, and I hope you're having a good time. Actually, I feel like you should go watch a few other videos where I'm not sick. I'm usually a little more upbeat than this. Make sure to line up your KitKat sticks as close as you can and go all the way around, and start from the same point on each cake. So if there's any space left, it'll be at the back and you won't tell him. The next thing I'm gonna do is chop some of my KitKats and fill in the gap between the fences because I don't want to see the buttercream, and we'll get to see like the yummy goodness that's inside these KitKats. The great thing about a simple cake like this is it doesn't take much to personalize it and add some color. So we're gonna take this cake up a notch and decorate it a little more, and the first thing I need to do is move it to a cake stand.
See, you just do this. Because this side just needs to be...
Can we just cut to a shot of me in a straitjacket?
Oh, sorry, no. There you go. See? Tell it.
It was amazing.
So, we clean our spatula.
You just said, see? Tell it. Tell it what?
Tell it.
Oh, tell it.
And now we put our final layer.
Okay.
So you're just gonna have to...
You're really just sticking a dowel in this cake?
That's what you all do all the time.
Okay.
So now it can't break, you know? And maybe sometimes you have 2 dowels. There we go. Okay. 1 dowel is enough.
See how the ribbon just instantly adds color? Now to tie the perfect bow. Guys, this episode marks 5 years of How to Cake It. I can hardly believe that. Thank you so much for joining us every single week and watching me cake my dreams away. I love that a lot of you are becoming better bakers every single week. So this week, we've put our deluxe crumb coat and chill bundle on sale in honor of our anniversary. Thank you so much. I've never had a cake like this. I can't really see what I'm doing right now. Thank you for watching, guys. Thanks for being here with me for 5 amazing years. I will be back next week with a brand new cake. Until then, you can check out more cakes here and here.